Subhan. Okay, so Jibreel was telling us how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showed this miracle that their bodies are not eaten by the earth. What was the procedure? How Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala helped their bodies not to be eaten by the earth.
They kept the movie.
Yes, you should say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kept flipping them and tossing them like we sleep in the bed. So we change our sides, you know. Sometimes we flip and we toss on the right side, and sometimes we uh, turn to the left side. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So that's how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saved their bodies. Shabash. Very nice. I'm very, very happy. You little guys are mashallah very attentive, and you remember whatever we have learned. Okay, then the next question, where was the dog? Was the dog amongst them laying down on the earth, or was
Yes,
he?
the dog was also laying down.
Say it again.
The dog was also laying down.
But where?
I don't know it.
Quran, Holy Quran tells the location of dog. Where was the dog?
In the cave. In the cave. In the cave.
This is going to be a bit wrong. There is another chance. Try again. Where was the dog?
They were with the people.
No. Urwa. Urwa, can you try? Where was the dog?
Um.
My beloved kids, you know that wise people don't keep their dogs as a depoxy to themselves, and they don't let their dogs lay down in the bed with the owner, or sit in the lap on the lap of the human, you know. So the people of the cave, they were the wise people, and a dog to his master is actually a protector and a servant. So Ashabu Kahf, they went inside the cave and they laid down on the earth, but not the dog. Being a watch person and being a protector, dog had to sit down on the entrance of the cave. So dog was sitting inside on the entrance of the cave. He didn't went deep inside with the owners, with the people of the cave. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. I recited the Holy Quran when I told you the location of the dog. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وكلبهم باسط ذراعيه بالوصيد. You know wasid? Wasid is the entrance. So the dog, he was sitting. Spirit. Astaghfirullah. So the dog was sitting on the entrance, spreading his arms. Okay? La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Okay, then the next question. When they woke up, what concern all of them had? What was the first thing that they were concerned about?
Food.
No,
Food.
that was the second thing.
How
What was
long they slept?
Shabash, shabash, shabash. I'm proud of you, Jibril. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. You are the best student, MashaAllah. Okay. So the first concern that they had, it was, how long have we been sleeping? Okay. The Holy Quran says, وَكَذَلِكَ بَعَثْنَاهُمْ لِيَتَسَاءَلُوا بَيْنَهُمْ قال قائل منهم كم لبثتم قالوا لبثنا يوما أو بعض يوم قالوا ربكم أعلم بما لبثتم. Okay, so this was the first concern. Urwa,
Yes.
have you got the point?
Wait, give me a second.
Have you understood the point? Yes or no?
Wait, I'll be right back. Will be here. Okay. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Wait.
Be attentive and pay attention, okay? And then, what the next question? First of all, they were worried about the duration. How long did they sleep? And then after that, what was the second concern? Urwa.
Uh, wait. My baby sister came. My 2 year old sister came in the room.
You have a sister. Then what happened?
She came in the room. She.
Okay, let her play. Let her play on her own.
But she.
If she
But
if she does,
She distracts Urva.
she distracts Urwa. Okay, so if Urwa can
She left.
maintain her focus,
She left.
if Urwa can maintain her focus, let the youngest one play on her own, and you focus on your lesson. Urwa,
Okay. Yeah.
beta, what was the second concern of the people of cave after they woke up?
The food. They didn't have any.
Yes, they felt hungry, okay? Because after all, this is a long, 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 real long duration. They kept sleeping. So when they woke up, they were really, really hungry. So they uh, started asking each other, what should we have for the food? Okay. And then they took out money and they gave it to one of them, and they told him that you should go and find a halal and nice food and be careful. Nobody should recognize you. Otherwise, people will arrest us, catch us, and they will kill us. And then the person went out of the cave and then he reached the marketplace. And then he entered into a restaurant. And then when he paid the money for the food, what happened? What was the objection of the cashier?
Teacher, what is that money? It was there 300 years ago.
Yes, the cashier was amazed. And the cashier captured and caught the person, and he say, hey, hold on, wait. Who are you? And where did you get this ancient money from? This is 300 years old money. And these coins do not run nowadays in the market. And let me check your clothes. Your clothing style is also very, very old. In the modern days, we don't wear these kind of clothes. So your clothing, the money you are carrying, all these things are doubtful and fishy. Who really are you? Okay. So cashier caught him, and the people started gathering all around, and they say, who is this person? And he started telling them that I am one of the people of the cave. And then they went to the new king and they told him, and the king took out, and then the king took out that, the written stone. I told you that in the Holy Quran, Allah says, Ashab al Kahfi wal Raqim. And the Raqim means the king actually wrote their names for the record that these people hid from me, they ran away. If someday someone can catch them, so these are the names. So that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned them with the title of Raqim. And the Raqim is a stone, slab of stone with their names written on. Okay. And the new king took out that Raqim and he matched the names. So they were the same people. But the new king was a Muslim. He was not the cruel and the kafir like the previous one. What was the name of that cruel king?
Um, Kabir,
Who can tell?
Kabir,
No. Allah, can you try?
uh,
Diqyanus.
mm,
Diqya.
Dikamus,
Diq.
Dik, Dikamus,
Ya. Ya.
Dikamus,
The N sound. N like a nose. Noose.
Diknamus, Diknamus,
Diqyanus.
Dikianus.
Yes, Diqyanus was the wrong person. And he was claiming that he was the god, and actually he was telling the people you should worship the idols. That's why the people of cave they hid and they ran from that king. But now this new king was the Muslim, a nice person. He showed much respect to the people of the cave, and he told them that now you don't need to hide anywhere, and we are all Muslims now. The government is Muslim, and we don't worship any deity besides Allah. We worship only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then they went to see other people of the cave. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala now uh, took their, souls, and they were dead now. So this one who went for fetching the food, he told them that let me, I want to join them. Okay. So he went
Okay,
inside the cave. He laid down as well, and then he was dead also. So all of them died, and then those Muslim people, they buried them with the tribute and with the honor. Okay, guys.
okay,
Nice story, nice answers, mashallah. Now you try to share this story with others. Okay. Okay? Will you
Okay.
say inshallah?
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam.